Have you ever wondered what the future of artificial intelligence in video creation might look like? What if we told you that the future is already here and you can harness the power of AI to create captivating YouTube videos? Welcome to the age where creativity meets technology, where imagination intertwines with artificial intelligence. The first step in this journey is choosing an AI tool that suits your needs. Numerous AI tools have emerged on the market, each with its unique features. Some of the top contenders include Lumen 5, Magisto, and FlexClip. These tools offer a range of options from script creation to video editing, all powered by AI. The second step is scripting your content. While traditional video creation would require you to manually write a script, AI offers a different path. AI tools can generate scripts based on keywords or topics you provide. This not only saves time but allows for a more streamlined process. Next, let's talk about the visuals. AI can help you source relevant images and videos, eliminating the need for time-consuming searches. You provide the AI with your script or keywords, and it will find the most relevant visual content for your video. The fourth step is voiceover and audio. Many AI tools offer text-to-speech features, providing a variety of voices and languages to choose from. Artificial intelligence can also select and add appropriate background music to your video, enhancing the overall mood and tone. The final step is editing and publishing. AI makes the editing process more manageable by suggesting cuts, transitions, and effects that complement your content. Once you're happy with the final product, you can directly publish it on YouTube from the AI platform. Now, you might be wondering about the personal touch in your videos. Rest assured, AI does not replace your creativity. It merely augments it. You can still add your flair and style to the videos, while AI handles the more technical aspects. In summary, AI is revolutionizing the way we create YouTube videos. It streamlines the process, saving time and effort, and allowing creators to focus more on the content. From scripting to sourcing visuals, voiceovers, and editing, AI has got it covered. So, step into the future of video creation, embrace the power of AI, and let your creativity soar. The future of AI in video creation is not just a distant dream, but a reality that we are living in right now.